Hey, what's up? I'm Ryan. Welcome to Beacon Marine. I'm here with Tyler today on Mike's boat. We are totally getting down with some network cables today. We're hooking our displays and all our components up to the network hubs downstairs. We have got our hands full. It's a pull your hair out day. If you got hair like this, don't pull it out, baby. We're looking good. So Tyler's down here. Somewhere down. Where you at, Tyler? Oh, wow. He's down here. Somewhere down below. I see his foot. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
He's getting some batteries put in, some network wires. Dude, there's a lot of stuff in here. This is how we do it at Beacon. Isn't that right?
Sure is.
We got our camera in. We got all kinds of stuff still going in. Gotta put our inverter and converter and everything else you see. We're on schedule because the engine guy didn't even have these things running yet. So, with that being said, welcome to Beacon Marine. Get a little basic tour. What we're doing today is just the network cables, linking the radios, the VHF, all the displays up to the network hubs. Up here we have 8 ports for our network, and we're running it all. We gotta make them all custom lengths, so that's the project. Get it done, son. Have a good one. See ya. Say goodbye, Tyler.
Later.
You can't come out until you're done.